Hi family. I lost the first part of my video, so I'm just going to try to go from here. In this pan, I have hamburger, ham, pepperoni, onions, mushrooms, bell peppers. I have some fire roasted tomatoes, and I have some tomato paste that I've mixed around. I'm just stirring this together. I can't believe I lost it. Came too far to go back. I'm just going to take it from here. I have some tomato sauce. Some spaghetti sauce here. Any kind that you like. And we're just going to let this simmer for a minute. I have my water boiling for my spaghetti, which I have over here too. And I have two types of mozzarella cheese. I have the shredded, and then I have the soft. I have some black olives, and I have some powdered garlic sauce. Garlic powder. I'm sorry. I'm frustrated. I have some complete Sazon. I'm going to add a little bit in here, not too much. I'm going to add some garlic powder here. And again, I'm going to stir this around. And we're going to let this simmer, and we're going to cook our spaghetti for 12 minutes. No more, no less. 12 minutes, take it off, drain, and set aside. Add you some salt. Make sure you taste, and taste. Anytime you're cooking anything, you taste it. Taste, and taste until you get it just how you want it. But always be careful with the salt. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer once again for about 15 minutes. You see, I removed some of the sauce from the pan because it was way too much. It's only two of us, and so I just took some and put some in the freezer bag. And let me show you. And I'm going to put it in the freezer, and that's a whole other meal. The sauce will already be ready, and all you have to do is boil you some spaghetti or whatever kind of noodles you like. And there's your sauce already prepared. But when you're making this dish, just think about the way you like your pizza. And outside of the spaghetti and the sauce, those are the ingredients that you add. Everything you like on a pizza. Going to add spaghetti. You add a little pepper to this. I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to add in some mozzarella. You don't want a whole lot. And then I'm going to add the black olives and the soft mozzarella. Going to make a plate, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, my friends, Speghizza. Add you a salad on the side, some garlic bread, some crazy bread, and there you'll have a meal. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. It was fun for me. I hope it was fun for you. And don't forget to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for them. Pray for you. Pray for us. Then pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, my friends, be well.